I gotta earn it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 30. Lost one. Too tight. Are you recording, bro?
Bro, I've been recording. What you mean?
Let's get rolling. What's up, my YouTube fans? It's your boy, Boost Fitness, coming to you live. Here's the beast from the east. I'm just kidding, it's American. It's a Focus ST. Let me pop it. Alright, don't record the nitrous. But no, guys, everybody has been messaging me, hey, what do you drive, you know, and like, obviously they saw the first couple videos of my YouTube and they noticed I drive an ST. So like, dang, is it modded, you know? So these are the mods, man. I'm a stock boy. That's it. Green filter, RS box. Everything else is stock. It also does have a hatless downpipe, 3-inch. I got some Veloster in the front. Not the crazy ones, but just the regular 595s. A full 3-inch exhaust. Takeda, it's really expensive. But I didn't pay full price. Thank God for offer up. But yeah, guys, it's the ST level 1, so it comes with cloth seats. That's the only, you know, kind of like iffy thing about it. I wish I would have got the ST2, which comes with like a mixture with cloth and leather, or like, is it leather? I think so.
Yeah, suede and leather.
Suede and leather. But anyways, guys, come through. This is how it looks from the inside. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen lots of STs online, but this is mine. Guys, I've had this car for 2 years now. It's got 36,000 miles on it. I love it, man. Honestly, since day one, like, I was like, damn, it handles great. It's torquey. The transmission is beautiful. The clutch is great. It's roomy. Right now it sounds pretty loud, which I like. But yeah, guys, I'm just excited to keep modifying it. The next modification is coming up. I won't tell you what it is, but it's some good salsa. I'm gonna be handing out lots of salsa. But yeah, guys, let's go for a drive, and I'll obviously drive normal, and then I'll give you guys a little joyride, you know? All right, my guys, this car has a push start. Obviously, it's not a big thing these days, you know. Every car has a push start these days, but back in the day, I believe the S2000 was the first one. The Honda S2000 was the first one to put the push start, and then everybody else started doing it. But this is how it looks driving it. Flat bottom steering wheel. You know, the shifts are very short. They can be a little bit more notchier in my opinion, but if you're a driver mod, it doesn't really matter. But yeah, let's go for a drive, guys. I'll show you guys how it feels, how it rides. It's a little loud, but anyways, this is the oil temperature right here. This is the boost right here. So when the boost is pretty good, it spikes really nice. I believe it spikes 23 pounds. Mine is wild, so it spikes sometimes 25. And that's the oil pressure. And then it says right here 34 miles to empty, so let's hope we make it. GTI? I think it is. Let's go check it out. Ooh. Ooh. Alright. The steering wheel is so responsive, guys. It's ridiculous. After driving any ST, especially the RS, but any ST, Fiesta ST, or now these days, you know, the new STs coming out. After driving these cars and getting into a different car, or another normal car, you're like, dang. The bite of the brakes too is ridiculous. You feel safe, secure, you know. You'd be surprised, man. When I go to Mexico, I beat a lot of cars, and right now I'm stock tuned and stuff. So as you can see, that's why my check engine light is on. But it's okay. I still send it, you know. Let me roll the windows up, that way you guys can hear me. But yeah, guys, and the cabin is super quiet. There's some cars that are supposedly, you know, sports cars, but yeah, they're fast, yeah, they handle good, but their cabin noise is ridiculous. You can hear like the tires, you know, humming. But this car did nothing, man. It has given me zero issues so far. I believe it's a factory freak, you know. There's a lot of people claiming that, but I've got lots of stage 3 STs. But yeah. Well, I'm super excited, guys, for the future plans of this car. My next modification is gonna come up pretty soon in the next 2 videos, so be on the lookout for that. And yeah, guys, I'm just so excited, you know, to make videos for you guys and create more content. Obviously fun, nothing normal or average or, like, you know, repetitive. Oh, there goes a 5.0 right there. But anyways, guys, I'm sorry, I get distracted. I used to own a 5.0, but anyways, Crimea River. All right, guys, right now we're gonna hop on the freeway and we're gonna head out to Mexico.
Catch this, homie! Look at that, gap sizing you.
Woo! Yeah! Rhino for the win! Woo! Guys, we just took out this guy that gave us a peace sign, but he took an L. We're right here in Mexico. We're gonna head back to California. So anyways, guys, as you can see, Rhino's running healthy. You know, the future mods are exciting, man. I'm super excited to share with you guys what's next for Rhino. But yeah, we're just raced a bolt-on Veloster. I think he had a DCT transmission. It's pretty quick. But yeah, guys, take care, guys.
A few moments later.
Gutted Hatch wants to do a 60 row. Oh yeah, let's go, baby, let's go. Parents, if you're watching this is all computer generated. I love you. So after this gutted hatch took an L, he told his homie, which is fully gutted hatchback, to take me out, and this is the outcome. No! Monica!